Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Sunday asserted that the proposed Uniform Civil Code will not affect tribal in any way and urged the community to not fall for conspiracies and misinformation being spread over this issue. Addressing a tribal conclave to mark the 150th birth anniversary of Birsa Munda at Red Fort Ground, Shah said special provision have been made in BJP ruled state implementing the UCC to keep tribal communities out of this ambit. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said the government has made special provision to exclude all tribal communities from the ambit of UCC, ensuring that their rights are fully protected. Addressing the Janjati Sanskritik Samagam in New Delhi, Mr. Shah said the UCC will not infringe upon any tribal right, recalling the legacy of iconic tribal leader and freedom fighter Bhagwan Birsa Munda. Mr. Shah said he conveyed the message that tribal communities have rightful ownership of their land and forest and that no one can occupy them. The Report News Now.